Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find gold on Bookmap using a supported data connection. So before searching for gold, you first need to connect Bookmap to a broker or data provider that supports gold instruments. So go to the top left corner, click connections and select configure. And from there, choose add connection and select the broker or provider that you want to use. So keep in mind here that not every connection supports gold, and some options may only be available with certain Bookmap licenses. So once your connection is ready, click the plus button in the top left corner to add a new instrument. Next, select the platform or data source connected to your account, and you can also use the free delayed DX feed connection for practice, although the information will not be shown in real time. Now, use the search box and enter gold. So this may show several different results, including stocks and other gold-related instruments. So to find gold futures more easily, search for GC or type gold futures. You should then see different gold futures contracts with specific dates. Select the gold contract that you want, then read and accept the market data agreement if it appears. And then Bookmap will add the instrument and load the data when the market is open. Just make sure that you choose the correct contract and use a supported connection. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I will see you on the next video.